Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this question was from the chapter Laws of Motion. Question is, a spherical body of mass 100 gram is dropped from a height of 10 meter from the ground. After hitting the ground, the body rebounds to height of 5 meter. The impulse of force imparted by the ground to the body is given by. Now take g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Options are 1. 43.2 kilogram meter per second. 2. 23.9 kilogram meter per second. 3. 2.39 kilogram meter per second. 4. 4.32 kilogram meter per second. Now see here, mass of the body is given to you and it is dropped from the height 10 meter. When it hit the ground, then it rebound up to 5 meter. And we have to calculate the impulse of force. After all, impulse of force, that is nothing but change in momentum. So to calculate change in momentum, simply we have to calculate change in velocity in this particular process. Now see, we have the equation for the motion with constant acceleration. So we can write v square minus v0 square equal to 2gh. अगर h height से body free falling करती है, so when it hit the ground, its velocity, that is v equal to under root 2gh. And after rebounding, if it reaches to height h, means when it rebound, its initial velocity, that will be also given by the same equation, v equal to under root 2gh. So for first case, when the body is dropped from the 10 meter, we can write when it hit the ground velocity v1, that is under root 2gh1. And after hitting, when it rebound up to height h2, then we can write the initial velocity when it rebound, that is v2 equal to under root 2gh2. So here, impulse, that is change in momentum. So we can write impulse I, that is mass into change in velocity. So change in velocity, that is final velocity minus initial. But see here, initial velocity, that is in downward direction, and final, that is in upward direction. So initial is taken minus v1. So we can write impulse, that is equal to m into v2 plus v1. So I, that is m. Now substitute the values of v1 and v2. So under root 2gh1 plus root 2gh2. We can take under root 2g common. So impulse, that is m into root 2g into under root h1 plus under root h2. Now substitute the values. Mass is 0.1 kilogram because it is 100 gram. Under root 2 into g. Here directly I have taken g, that is 10. Under root 10 plus under root 5. So if we solve this one, we'll get the answer 2.39 kilogram meter per second. Okay. If you take here 9.8, then your answer, that will be very close to this one. So as per given option, you can say your answer, that is 3. Clear, bachcho?